Welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Here are the top 5 plasma cutter. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Plasma Cutter. The Xvogen 50A IGBT Inverter Plasma Cutter is a powerful and versatile cutting machine suitable for both 110V and 220V power supplies. Its IGBT technology ensures efficient, stable, and precise cutting of stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for workshops and on-site jobs. Users appreciate its smooth arc start, adjustable current, and durable build. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, it delivers reliable performance, fast cutting speeds, and excellent value for money in a compact design. Number 4. Plasma Cutter. The Reboot Plasma Cutter 60A is a powerful and versatile cutting machine designed for both professional and DIY use. Its non-touch pilot arc ensures precise, clean cuts on stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals, handling up to a half-inch 12mm clean cuts and 3/4 inch 19mm severance cuts effortlessly. Dual voltage 110-220V offers flexibility for various workspaces. Lightweight and portable, it delivers smooth, efficient performance with minimal slag, making it a reliable choice for metal fabrication and repair projects. Number 3. Plasma Cutter. The XAIC45II Plasma Cutting Machine is a powerful and versatile IGBT inverter air plasma cutter. Its non-HF, non-touch pilot arc ensures precise, clean cuts on metals up to 16mm thickness while supporting both 2T and 4T modes for smooth operation. Dual voltage 110V-220V adds convenience and portability. Lightweight yet robust, it delivers stable arcs, minimal dross, and efficient cutting performance. Ideal for workshop and industrial use, this machine combines reliability, ease of use, and high-quality cutting for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 2. Plasma Cutter. The Hitbox 45A Non-HF Non-Touch Plasma Cutter is a versatile tool ideal for home DIY projects and small workshops. Its IGBT inverter technology ensures efficient and stable cutting of various metals, while the 2T/4T modes provide precise control for different cutting needs. The smart LED display is intuitive, making adjustments straightforward. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to handle yet powerful enough for professional quality results. Overall, a reliable, user-friendly plasma cutter for hobbyists and small-scale metalwork enthusiasts. Number 1. Plasma Cutter. The Plasma Cutter CUT55PHF Pilot Arc by EE is a versatile and powerful cutting solution for home and workshop use. Supporting both 110V and 220V, it delivers 55A for clean, precise cuts up to 20mm on metal, stainless steel, and aluminum. Its HF pilot arc ensures smooth contactless ignition, while the included AG60P torch offers durability and comfort during extended use. Lightweight, portable, and easy to operate, this plasma cutter is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional metalworkers seeking efficiency and reliability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.